Hello to all. As you all know, today we are going to do Unit 30 of Gregg Shorthand book Anniversary Edition, page 129, Phrasing Principles. Unit 30. You are watching videos made by Saurabh Tripathi. Please like and subscribe the channel if you find the content useful. Let's start. Misstand, misunderstand, misunderstand, misunderstood, misstood. I understood, I stood. We understood, we stood. I understand, I stand. I do not understand, I do not stand. I cannot understand. Thoroughly stood, thoroughly stood. Okay. Extra discount, extra discount. Enter the, enter into, over the, under any, under consideration, extra fare, short time, center line, agree with you. Okay, we have done. Next page. Next page. Have done, have done, has been done, has done, will be done, will be done, would be done, should be done, would be done, should be done. Now we have quicker than, quicker than. Now we have better than, better than. Now we have sooner than. Now we have rather than, near than, greater than. Okay. Give us, give us. Tell us, tell us. Write us, write us, write us. To us, to us. Let us, mail us. Credit department, credit department, shipping department, purchasing department, accounting department, accounting department. Okay, of course we are progressing. Of course, okay. At once, at any rate, and then great deal, I always, on hand, as follow, whole lot, one another, decide. Do you know, do you know, do you know, do you know. Great pleasure, your order, first class. And then whether or not, at all events, at all events, at all event, at all events. To some extent, to great extent, to such extent, at the same time, in other, in each other words, in other words. Once, once in a while, uns once, iel, while. And then in my opinion, in first place, in first place, as soon as possible, as soon as possible, as a matter of fact, as matter of fact, on account, fact, over again, over and over again. We have done lesson 30. Now we will do lesson number 31 in the next video.